Why Unreal Engine? Unreal Engine has various capabilities. It's widely used in the film industry, in simulations, architecture, and video games. Unreal Engine allows you to show and expand your creativity, a perfect tool for indie developers. With it, you can have AAA rendering without AAA budget, use the Epic Games Marketplace, blueprint visual scripting if you don't like long lines of code. It's free until you reach the revenue threshold, and in the end you can develop for various platforms. For me, as a solo creator, Unreal allows me to focus on gameplay engineering, and it's a cool tool to see the result of my 3D models. That's why I use Unreal Engine. It's easy to use, and you?